here we have our first pass of Marglass. We use an panel bond to actually get the fiberglass piece onto the fender, and it's bonded with metal bond that will never come off. So now we have to even it out with some Marglass and then a little bit of Bondo. So here is another panel with already some Marglass on there. We have to even it out and feather this out, make it look nice. So that's the plan. Get that into this stage, a little bit of Bondo, and then this thing will be all ready to go. Alright, so here we have skim coat of Bondo on this fender. Over here on this fender, it's already ready and ready for primer. So that's the next step for this one. Looks good. Next thing is gonna be fitting these things on the car.
More or less. Hell yeah. Just know how brave we get. Welcome back to another episode of SOS Customs here. We're doing a new vlog. That was TikTok. Wow, that was a Charlie.
That was TikTok?
That was a Charlie meme. You're too old. You don't know.
Oh, damn.
Why would you go there?
Wow.
It's true. You're wow.
Who's man?
What are you doing? You're way too excited about that.
That's that strap on.
Yeah.
That strap on, baby.
That's what he's about. Ayo, stop. How the heck am I supposed to do this, Teach? How do you do this? Use down keys. Get through. If you don't mind, subscribe to SOS Customs YouTube channel. There's a Jamaican somewhere. I don't know where it is. Subscribe to our content for fresh new stuff every... Oscar, how many times do you upload it? Whenever I get the chance to upload, man. The low price of... welcome to the whale wash. You get the whale of a wash and the price is... Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
My premium.
The price is very, very low. Premium price. A very low premium. Very low premium price. Oscar 99 month. This is miserable. Why don't I... Sharpie? That's an aftermarket.
Yeah, you guys wired everything through the thing.
Yeah.
Right?
That's an aftermarket. was obviously perfect because it's an OEM Fender, but the vents needed a lot of trimming. So I think we left a few marks on the fender that we were fitting on the car. And once we get those out of the way, like I should, there's a lot of marks actually. Most of the trimming just needs to be done behind everything, like where all the depth is, and everything should fit fine. The biggest thing we're worried about is the harness fitting through now, which with these cuts, we should be able to fit that just fine. Yeah, you can cut it out, it should be able to fit perfectly. And then I was talking with Dylan, we should buy an OEM bend, put in here, and we should just mold it. I don't think we should have that two pieces. I was gonna talk to you
make it
about
all one piece?
Yeah, like I can order some and send it here, and then just like mold it. I don't like that. I think it's pretty silly.
Yeah.
Other than that, like it's right where it needs to be. We're probably like still pretty far out from having a final product, but this is something that I've been wanting to do for so long. I've had the idea in my head for a very long time, and the fact that we were able to make it come reality today and see it for the first time was awesome. So shout out to SOS for helping us do it. They've been doing a lot of our like back-end work for getting the body work and stuff done, so super appreciative. I'll be back soon. Actually, I'll be back like in a week with the Supra because we gotta repaint the Supra all over again.
The kids coming in a week?
Yeah, so we're
nice. Kids coming in a
the
week.
wing horns are the last thing that we're waiting on, so we have to repaint that whole entire car. So, not really looking forward to that, but I'll be so back.
Color change?
But I appreciate it. Thank you for helping us get everything done and letting us use your space. We'll see you soon. See if my wheels fall off on the freeway.
This guy's a thug, man. You guys need to tell TJ to start torquing wheels down.
They are torqued.
Oh man, it's wild side. Taking a ride on the, I don't know, I'm just saying, I always hand torque him. This guy's a thug, man, over here. Yes, sir. Oh, she low though. Do you drive like this?
I drive, on the freeway I can drive like this. Oh yeah, on the freeway I can drive like this. But then any bump, I'll scrape everything. So this is normal.
Oh yeah. Looks good, bud.